Hello everyone and welcome to Yolka's Polka. I am Yolka, your night owl. Today I needed to really catch up with my journal because as you can see, I haven't written in it since January and we are in February already. Yikes! But no worries, I will guide you on my process of how I journal and how I decorate it. And for those of you curious about my supplies, I will have them listed in the description box below. Moving on. When decorating my journal, you might have noticed how I keep some space from the edges of the page. I like keeping a border because it makes my writing feel more compact and the decorations enclose it, kind of like a picture frame. However, sometimes I leave some space and don't always create a box with my washi. Instead, I leave some parts without washi or stickers and keep it open. What this does is create an illusion, such as an invisible box around my writing. Depending on how you set up your stickers and washi, it can trick your eyes into imagining a shape or enclosed area. This is not necessary, but I do like it. Also, I love using stickers that I've been holding on to or are kind of awkward for my planner. This is a great way to finally use up those stickers that you don't really know what to do with. What a great way to showcase those stickers and actually use them. I use the same method with my planner for my journal. In my previous video, I talked about how I like to take a paper and it decides what colors and stickers I should use for my planner. Well, for my journal, it's kind of the same thing. However, I let the stickers choose my color scheme and go from there. Both methods are basically the same. Other than that, I love using my journal as a way to get creative and try new ways of decorating. I don't usually journal every day, and that's mostly because I don't have much going on. So instead, I wait for some days to go by, and when something comes along that I want to journal about, I will do so. Sometimes I will even take previous days and clump it up onto one page. This method works for me because I don't feel as much pressure to write every day just to write, but instead I write because I genuinely have something I want to get onto a page. And there you have it. We caught up with January and now can focus on February. If I inspired you, be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you all a little later.